What's up traders, welcome to another live streaming from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. This is Forex Wizard, your trading coach. We will be doing all analysis you need to make your trading decision, as well as we will be trading live in front of you. If there is any trading opportunity arises, as soon as I find any trading opportunity, I will be sharing with you and I will be listening to your question. Any question you have, I can answer straight away. And also there will be a lot of fun in this channel, so make sure before you start you smash the like button and also hit that red subscribe button if you haven't done yet. So let's begin our today's trading session. Today is very important because this is the first day of trading week. Due to holidays, a little bit of less volatility, but it is a good preparation for the week ahead. So we might find some good trading opportunity maybe today, or we can prepare for tomorrow. So whenever we can find, we can take it. So in the meantime, on the right side you can see your chat box. You can write down whatever you know what question you have, anything if you want to know. So I see that Bipan has joined in the chat. Kakulan, Bipan says, how are you? Thank you, Bipan. Pawin, hello sir, thank you Pawin. Gbp AUD, please. Kakulan requested Gbp AUD. Mixchi, hello master, hope you had a good weekend. Yes, Mixchi, I had a really good weekend. Mark, happy Monday friend. Okay Mark, we missed you on live VIP session, but no problem, every Saturday also will do that. So Abdul Rahman, hello sir, how are you? Thank you Abdul Rahman. Slim, good morning. CJ, hello sir, nice to be here again. GBP JPY, please. Okay, yeah, all of them. Khalid, hello Khalid, how are you? Asok Somon, hello sir. GBPUSD, yes, all of them will do. Khalid, I missed yesterday, no problem Khalid, the recording is there, you can watch that, and we'll do it every weekend. So Khalid asked for gold and GBP USD. So let's begin with GBP pairs and gold, and then we'll see again what we can do next. So first of all, let's find out the GBP USD. Okay, this is the hot cake really. You see that GBP USD, as you have seen that last week there has been a false breakout here, exactly where when I posted the analysis. Maybe you have seen that. If you haven't seen it, I would suggest you to watch that, because when you can predict this kind of movement from the market, you are done. Okay, so that's why you need to find out the reason why the false breakout is happening. And also I posted a completely separate video on how you can understand false breakout before it happens, completely all the signs and everything I posted today. The link will be in the description, or you should find in my channel. You can watch that to see. So let me go through first GBP USD, what is likely to happen next. So let's see first a bigger picture with GBP USD. If we go to the monthly GBP USD, there is no question, it's a downtrend. Okay, so every time you saw all my analysis based on how the price is showing the bearish action, and the price is doing exactly as it is, so what we see that currently GBP USD monthly time frame, it's bearish. And let's see, let's draw a level of support here where GBP USD could come down. So we can see that is still there is a gap to fill. So GBP USD is still bearish, and let's draw the resistance. What could be the possible resistance? So this is the resistance here. Why this is a very strong resistance I have drawn here? Why? Because you see, when you can see that like this is a green candle, came down and went above. So this green candle basically created a very strong level of resistance here, and this monthly candle, the previous one, closed just below this previous resistance. So this is a very strong level of resistance. Now let's keep them both, and let's find out that how we can trade considering these two level of support and resistance. So let's now go to the weekly time frame. For who just joined, this is GBP USD. We are analyzing and we are seeing how we can find a trading opportunity. Now at this point, as soon as I predicted in my weekly forex forecast, what did I say? That GBPUSD is likely to drop, and as soon as market opened, it didn't even go up, it started to drop because it's a highly bearish market. But what is likely to happen is that we might see little push to the upside later and then again drop. Okay, the market will never drop in one direction. So this is weekly chart. Now let's see daily. Okay, now daily, you see the last day of trading we had created this one. The day the first breakout, it has created this red candle and then followed by another smaller candle, red candle. This is the last day of trading week due to low volatility. Now this today, as soon as market opened, market started to drop. Now what is likely to happen is that I don't think that it will drop like this. Okay, it will go for a retracement to the upside, and that is where we can enter a trade for the shorting trade, and I am waiting for that to happen. Smash the like button now. So what we will be doing, let's go to the 4 hour. You see the price is now slowly retracing to the upside. Okay, so this is keep in mind that this is an overall bearish market, so we will not be buying at all in this market until we see a big change in the trend. So what we can expect on GBPUSD, see there is quite a few doji has been created this zone, and this is the 4 hour time frame. Just to let you know, you see this is a very high liquidity and confluence zone. Why? If you extend this level here, you see this is the level that I will be interested to trade GBPUSD short after reaching there. Let me draw the level so that you can see it properly. Okay, so this is 1.3055 or 50, where this is the 4 hour time frame. There is a 20 period moving average. Okay, and also you see there is a level of support here, there is a level of resistance here, support here, support here. Okay, so this kind of level are really significant. When you see a level tested as a support, as a resistance, as like this, okay, as a support and resistance, that means if a level tested as a support, as a resistance, it is a very strong level. Keep in mind always, if a level tested as both as a resistance and as a support, it's a very strong level. So after this candle, this current candle is 1.3031, right? So only we are around, say let's say around 25 pip in GBPUSD. If this price is managed to go there, I think that you see there is a trend line here also. So as soon as in this zone we will find any kind of bearish price action, let's say it has gone up with another green candle, and has created like this a pin bar, that is where we will be selling short GBPUSD, keeping our stop loss above, take profit 1 to 2 with our VIP members. Smash the like button. In the meantime, if you want to join VIP channel, there is still the discount is on. It will end soon due to the Easter holiday, so you can check it out, the link in the description. So in the meantime, let's see. So this is the situation with GBPUSD. Let me draw it properly. This is the update. You can say that's so far what has been analyzed. So GBPUSD, we will be waiting for a shorting opportunity. This is highly bearish market, and selling is always good idea. Over the long term, it's a bearish market. So let's see who else in the chat. CryptoXC, good evening. CryptoXC, good evening too. We are smashing the like button. Good afternoon. Yes, Chadrick, good job. Vinod, good afternoon. Vinod, thank you. Slim, ask for US 100. Yes, we will do all of them. Mixture, Gold and NS 100. Yes, we will do all of them. Shikant, NS, where are you from? I am from the world, from the globe. I am from where you are. I'm always global citizen. Winfred, Euro USD, please. Yes, we will do all of them. Long position, GBP, JPY, sir. Yes. Madhu, hello, sir. Hello, Madhu. USD, JPY. Yes, Madhu. We will do all of them. So we finished GBP, USD. Let's see. We have quite a few requests on gold as well. So let's see gold. Okay. Now gold, as expected, it's a strongly bullish. Okay, so let's find out first of all bigger time frame to see what's happening now. As you see that after this, let's do a full analysis. Gold is very, very important, and you should see the complete analysis on gold to see what's happening. Let's clean all of them. So what you see that gold, let me draw this important level of support here. You see that there is a strong monthly resistance here. You see with this long monthly candle, there is a resistance here. Let me draw it properly. And in this resistance, what you saw that the gold previous months closed as a hanging man. Okay, so this is a hanging man. All right. So anybody have any confusion about, pardon me, not hanging man, shooting star? Anybody have any confusion about shooting star? I can teach you now in a quick. Let me know in the chat section if you don't know what is a shooting star. So anyway, let me tell you what is a shooting star. So when you see a level of support, let's say a level of support, and a candle came, formed like this on a level of support. Okay, all right, so this is called a shooting star. Support, long wick at the top, small body at the bottom, it's called a shooting star. So what is the significance of a shooting star? A significance of a shooting star is that a shooting star is bull candle. Okay, so when you see a shooting star, it's a good buy position. And why shooting star is so powerful, do you know? Is because you can keep a very, very narrow stop loss in a shooting star. So with that being said, we saw that on the gold there is a shooting star. You see this is a narrow body with a long wick at the top. So when this shooting star is formed, is basically indication that next month gold will be bullish. So you might say, well, on the monthly time frame, why should I care about the shooting star? I'm not trading on the monthly. Keep in mind that you see we're not trading on the monthly, but when you see a monthly shooting star, you can almost be sure that next month is going to be bullish gold. So what you will do, you'll always think of buying. When there's a pullback, buy. When there's a pullback, buy. So that is the advantage of understanding the higher time frame. Keep in mind, market always moves according to higher time frame. So let's find out. I saw that many of you joined the chat. Good evening, sir. Mary, thank you. Mary, Kakulan, thank you. GBP Lizard, hi from Tokyo. Yes, Lizard, thank you for joining from Tokyo. Duke, hi Wizard, watching your chart analysis has already made me better trader in terms of trade selection. Yes, Duke, that's my goal, is to help every trader. It's my goal, it's my identity as a trader, and I feel good when I can help other traders to become a better trader. And I'm sure that all of you will be, you're already good trader, and you will be the best trader soon, because you have a dedication, you have a passion. That's great. That's what I want to see. Ramzan, thanks sir, you're doing awesome job. Thank you, Ramzan. Mark, please, Mark said something that I missed. I saw that only, please. So let me, could you please repeat, Mark, what you wanted to say? Tiara, yes, please. Yep, Tiara, I have already explained what is a shooting star. Let me know if you don't understand anything. So, okay, so projection. So this is the gold situation on the monthly. Now let's see the weekly time frame, what's happening on the gold. As you see that after this weekly close, as soon as market open, gold started to push up. So gold will continue to push up. This is a very, very strong bullish market. Why it is a strong bullish market? See, how do you know that a market will be strongly bullish or just bullish and then bearish? It's from the market structure. Let me tell you what it is. Go to the daily time frame. You see when you see that, you see on the gold there has been a long consolidation. Okay, so the stronger the consolidation, the bigger the consolidation, the stronger the trend will be. Keep in mind again, the bigger the consolidation, the stronger the trend will be. That's how you will understand the market. So now what's happening with the gold is, see this is the daily time frame. Now we will look for buy opportunity. Sure, I will send it to my VIP member as soon as I will see gold buy, because gold is bullish. Smash the like button. Why? Because look at the bottom. This is what you need to pay attention. You know, no one will ever give you this kind of information, because people want to hold it with them. But I am not a controller. I love giving, because I love making traders, and that is my passion. You see, this is the daily time frame. Look at the low of the daily candle. You see what is the significance in this low of this daily candle? Can you pay attention? First thing, let me draw this level here. Okay, so then you will know that what is the significance of this. You see, first of all, look at the left. Okay, this is how you'll analyze a chart. This is what you need to pay attention. See, look at this one here. You see, that's where you have to see. You will trade here, but you look left far. You see, there is a big long candle. You see, there is a big doji. It's a big candle, and just the gold has started. You see, this is the resistance. Today's candle just started from this resistance. Okay, so this is a very, very important level of support. Now this resistance, okay, acted as a support, and from there gold started to move up. One thing. Another thing is, look at the low of the daily candle. Okay, look at the low of the daily candle. What you saw, that basically gold broke the previous day's low and then went above aggressively. So this is a strong bullish sign for the gold. So then how we can enter a trade? Let's go to the 4-hour time frame now to find a trading opportunity. Now what I will be waiting for the gold to do a proper retracement. Now in this way we can't enter a trade, because we don't know where is the basically to enter a trade. So we need a proper retracement like that. Okay, and on this retracement, what I think the best place will be for the gold to buy is to follow this trend line. You see, there is a trend line gold is following now with this 20 period moving average. If you see that there is a 20 period moving average broke and closed above, there is a 20 period moving average broke and closed above, and that is what we will be waiting for the gold to give us some kind of retracement in this zone, and then will consider buying gold. Smash the like button, and that is the plan for gold. Is bullish. What is bullish is continue to be bullish. Smash the like button and also hit that red subscribe button if you haven't done yet. So let's see, I have quite a few requests from everyone. Mark says yes, explain shooting star already. Thank you. Okay, thanks. Yes. Ramzan Cad, yeah. Umar Danish, good evening. Waiting for gold product. Yeah, we have done already. Nzd Cad, I see some requests for Nzd Cad, and let's see. Self-studies, are you copy trading, and my trade was opened at USD. What to do? Okay, so self-studies said something. Copy trading and my trade was opened at 1.3280 GB. What to do? So what, sir, you use copy trading. Okay, he's self-study, he's using copy trading. My trade was open at 1.3280. so let's see what problem happened. So 1.3280. okay, how can it possible that could you please clarify self-study what happened? I actually didn't understand. You see that Gbpusd now pushing upside, and that is what we are expecting to Gbpusd push upside, and also NZDUSD also as expected in my analysis is now pushing down. Let's see if we find good entry point, because tomorrow there is a high impact news for NZDUSD, guys and girls. So keep eye. NZDUSD, we might find a good trading opportunity, and as soon as I will find, I will send it to the VIP channel. If you want to join VIP channel, there is a discount going on, link in the description. So let's find Okay, Vinod, thank you for your compliment. You are super. Thank you. That's what I always strive for. Crypto XC, that depends on the target of the person you copied. And please stop spamming. Okay, no problems. Thank you for all of them. So let's find out what's happening with let's say GBP JPY. We have seen gold. Okay, GBP JPY is in a bullish setup, as I told you, in a bullish market. And let's see first of all monthly. Okay, monthly, let me draw this level of support. So this is a very important level for GBP JPY. Why you need to look at the monthly? Because monthly will give you a very good direction in the market. Okay, so you see the previous month's high is this one at 164.65. okay, 6 or 66. This is a very strong level of support. 164.66 for GBP JPY, very strong level of support, and we will be thinking to buy from that level of support based on price action confirmation. Now look at this, what happened today. See, exactly from this level the price now starting to bounce. Smash the like button now. So what is on the daily? See, daily as well the price is doing something similar. You see, from this monthly support we primarily, okay, so you see the previous 4-hour candle just touched this monthly support and had a bounce. Now this current 4-hour candle is creating a bullish candle. Now if this one, okay, if this current 4-hour candle closes as a bullish engulfer, break this trend line, we will go long. Smash the like button. Then what I will be looking, I will be going long with our VIP members, with our students is, let me draw this. This is the 4-hour time frame on GBP JPY. Let me draw this level of support. You see, this is a very strong level of support. Why? As you see that 164.65 is the monthly support, guys and girls. This is the monthly support, and from this monthly support we saw that primarily a bounce on GBP JPY. Now if this current candle closes as a bullish engulfer, then how I will be entering, I will be waiting for a test of this local trend line. There is a resistance here, 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 and as soon as this candle closes, if this one shows bullish this is a bullish engulfer, then I will send pending order, as I discussed last in our VIP live session. I will send as a pending order along the exactly, I don't know where I will send the pending order because I have to see the price action after candle close, but I will send a pending order for buy opportunity, keeping stop loss this monthly support, and we will target in the first go at least 1 2 3. Smash the like button, and until we will not close either profit or loss. That's how I will do. We'll make three times profit, or we'll get out of the trade. So this is for GBP JPY. Currently started bullish momentum, and I strongly believe that it will continue to be bullish. As you see that GBP JPY is a strongly bullish. You saw that after the this is a starting from, it is a nice trend, guys and girls. Why should you sell in this market? You see, it's a very nice trend. See, if I draw this one here, starting from here, see there is a first of all double bottom, okay, and then the price tested this double bottom as a resistance, support, and then broke up, retracement, and then broke up, retracement, broke up, retracement, broke up, now retracement, now another. See, it's a very nice trend. There is no doubt. See, it's a nice trending market, isn't it? So why should you confuse? See, every time, this is what you need to understand. You don't need magic indicator, you don't need anything else. You need to understand two things: market structure and price action. That's it, you are done. Last thing you need, the most important, is your trading psychology. Trading psychology is like, do not open a trade without proper risk management. Do not close a trade with a small profit. Do not close a trade with big loss. So that's so what is the market structure with GBP JPY? See, every time the price is creating previous support as a resistance, okay, see, every time the price is testing the previous support as resistance, previous resistance as a support, previous resistance. Now this time, this is the last one. This is the last wave that is happening, you see. Now this time what happened? The price tested this previous resistance as a support, and from here we can expect Jpy to shoot to the upside. So this is situation with Jpy. So let's see what's happening next. Q join, tune Gbp, CHF. Okay, cool, look at it. So Chadrick Magobo, pardon me, Mebogo, I sometimes face difficulty pronouncing the name. I apologize if I didn't pronounce it correctly. So I love how you see the market. It's amazing. Thank you. That's a long-term hard work, and now I wanna give it to you to help you, because you are helping this channel as well by smashing liking button and also smashing the subscribe button, staying with this channel. Thank you. I'm really grateful to have this kind of awesome trader in my platform. I work on gratitude. You know, keep in mind that gratitude is the most high vibrational and powerful weapon one can have. Always stay grateful. I always stay grateful for everything I have. That's why I never feel unhappy. See, this is the thing that most people don't say, that happiness comes from fulfillment what we have, you know, not for what we will achieve. So what we have eyes, hands, we are strong, and that's the best gift from this universe. Thank you for that. So let's see, Kevin Nash and Nzd USD, please. Yes, we'll go all of them. And Tom Master, how we recover from big loss. Okay, and Tom said a very, very, very important question. Let's discuss this. He asked how we recover from big loss. See, and Tom, everyone, I want you to pay attention. See, recovering from big loss is by learning from it. This is the only way. See, I lost multiple times in the past, and you know, big money as well. And then every time I lost, and I realized that why am I losing? And then I tried to look at the past, and I saw that actually the reason I'm losing is because I'm chasing the losses. The best way to recover from losses is not to chase losses. Okay, so if you have a loss, forget it. If you have a loss, and if you try to, you know, chase that loss, that okay, I had a loss, 20,000, 50,000, 500, $5. I'm gonna make it next day. If you keep it in mind, then you lose again. What you need to keep in mind, that I had a loss is because there was a mistake. Okay, then next time I will pay attention so that I don't make this mistake. Not that I will make that money tomorrow by taking double risk. So what is the difference between these two approaches? The first approach is, if you say that okay, I had a loss, tomorrow I want to make it, then what will happen? Your mind will trick you. Your mind will make you like, okay, take a double risk. Okay, then you will be able to recover, because your subconscious mind will always do what you tell it to do. We operate based on our subconscious mind. That's science. It's not philosophy. It's not what I am making. So your subconscious mind is your subordinate. It will work whatever you say. Now, if you say your subconscious mind that okay, I had a loss, recover that loss, then what you'll do, your subconscious mind will help you to take a big risk so that you can cover that loss. On the other hand, if you say your mind that okay, I had a loss, what did I learn from it? Okay, you might say, okay, I took a big risk. The lesson is that next time I'm not gonna take a big risk. That is how you'll recover from loss. And if you wanna recover from a big loss, is by slow. You might say, okay, then how do I get my money back? Everyone has this question. I had this question too. See, the way, there is a saying, there is a book called Tao Te Ching. It's a Chinese book. In this book, it says that slow overcome the fast. These are wisdom, real wisdom. No one knows, even these are secret teaching. Slow overcome the fast. You know what, you see that on the beach, water always hitting the rock day after day after day. Who wins at the end of the day? Definitely water. Rock can never defeat the water. Water is the soft, okay, but the rock is the hardest. But ultimately water dissolve the rock. That's how you'll recover loss. Slow down, pay attention, take a small risk, learn, and then one day you will be able to recover the loss. That's the thing, okay. Other theory will make you more loss, okay. That's the thing. Thank you for listening. Let's go back to our lesson. GBP USD, pardon me, GBP JPY. So let's see now. Don't you know, one important thing on GBP JPY, you know, as I told you that, okay, the price will go up. Don't take a buy from here now. I need to see a bullish engulfer, okay, then I will buy. Now if I see that, let's say the live stream finish, the candle closes as a bearish candle, the price reverse, then I'm not gonna buy. But if you buy, then you will be responsible. So make sure you understand what I say properly. And if you wanna get this signal with me, learn, and then you can join the VIP channel. The link in the description. It's okay. Otherwise, no problem. I'll try to give you as much information as possible in this live stream. So let's find out what's happening with other pairs. So what we can discuss is, let me quickly go through all the pairs. Okay, AUD CAD. Okay, AUD CAD, you saw that. I saw that AUD CAD, there was a request for AUD CAD. Let me see quickly on weekly. Okay, AUD CAD currently on a weekly support. So we might see little bit of bounce on AUD CAD. Okay, because AUD CAD overall bearish. So the price is this on this weekly support. It's a very strong weekly support. You see there are two back-to-back 3 weekly candle here. Okay, and the price came to the same level of support. And what we might see on AUD CAD, a bounce, okay, a bounce to the upside to this level, and from here we might see another drop. So let me draw this one here. Then we'll see on the lower time frame what might happen. Daily, okay, daily we saw that nicely AUD CAD was dropping. Now what I think that, you see that AUD CAD has created a double top formation here. You see there is a double top here, or pardon me, head and shoulder, nice head and shoulder, and the price broke down. Now when you see a head and shoulder, what you can expect, the price to go up and test this previous, let me separate it so that you can see. You see this is the head and shoulder. It's a clearly seen head and shoulder. Okay, so what, see this kind of head and shoulder, where the price likely to come to test, the price is likely to come to test here, not here. It could be, but highly likely that it will come here. And I have a completely video on head and shoulder as well, how you can test. You can check it out on my YouTube channel. See, so this is the situation with AUD CAD. Now what does it mean? It means that I think, see there is a level of support, yeah, like that. Okay, so what I will be doing is, if you go to the weekly, in that case, you see, so what likely to happen AUD CAD, let me explain. What likely to happen AUD CAD is to drop here and then rise up, test this one, and then drop. Okay, so if we see on the daily how it looks like this. Okay, so it could be here, it could be here, okay, or it could be just on 20 period moving average. But what I need, a daily candle to go up, you know, test this one, and as soon as it started to drop, then I will consider selling AUD CAD. That's the situation with AUD CAD. Highly it created a head and shoulder, bearish market, but nothing is guaranteed. It could be bullish at any point. Okay, so trading is like that. You always play with the probability. Smash the like button now. Okay, so NZD CAD, NZD USD, I got a request. So let's see, we'll do all of them. You can write down. Keep in mind that we have a lot of you I need to serve, and maybe sometime I miss some of your requests, but keep writing, asking, and then as soon as I will find opportunity, I will definitely let you. Okay, NZD CAD is bearish. As you can see that the price after this price from this level on the 4-hour time frame, the price tested this is the 4-hour time frame, it has tested this previous support here, tested as a resistance, and we see a now rejection. This is the 4-hour time frame. So let's see NZD CAD on the daily. So daily, see, this is a nice bearish price section. Okay, nice bearish. Now it has also broke this level of support here as well. There is a level of support here. Okay, so let's see weekly. Okay, weekly as well, we see that NZD CAD is strongly dropping. Monthly as well, it's a strong bearish market. Let's see, go back to 4 hours. So all time frame confirming that NZD CAD is bearish, and also you see there is a gap opening here in this 4-hour time frame. This is basically very strongly bearish market. Okay, so when you see this kind of gap opening from this consolidation, broke down and also tested this previous support as a resistance, support here, tested as a resistance, it's a bearish market. So to trade this, I need this candle close, and as soon as, but I think that it will go up again, it will create another structure here like this, then it will drop, and that is what I will be waiting. Normally I don't like to trade one single candle. I want this one to be bearish, and then to create a structure like that, and then around this structure I will consider shorting. Okay, like this. I need a structure below this level of support. So this is a level of support, now resistance, and as soon as I will find, I might place a pending order with our VIP member, keeping stop loss above this high, targeting 1 to 3 or more or 5, risk to reward. Thank you. So let's find out what else. Euro USD, the good one. Let's see Euro USD. What's happening with Euro USD? Okay, you see Euro USD now went up for a retracement. Okay, so that's going with some good a price action. We see that Euro USD. Let's see the daily. Okay, that's nice that daily has opened with a gap, with a doji, and we saw that the previous day also has a long doji here, long bearish engulfer before the closing the week of the trading, and then the last day of the trading week there was a small narrow candle that doesn't have enough volatility volume. Today, as soon as market open, we saw that euro dollar is creating a doji. Now one important thing we need to keep in mind to me is that you see that there is a long wick here. This is a very long wick, right? In this long wick there has been a buyer. Now if today's candle close as a doji here, okay, like this, and I think that euro dollar will go up again along this zone, and from here will drop. Okay, so let's see on the 4-hour how it looks like. So what I will be doing on euro dollar, see, in trading actually we need to be very choosy. That's why there isn't too many trade you may not find if you want to trade it nicely. Okay, so this is the line, you see, this is the zone that I will be waiting for euro dollar to rise up. Okay, if euro dollar managed to go there, only then I will be considering selling euro dollar, and this is what looks like on the daily like this. Okay, and from there we will be selling euro dollar. As you see that this is a very strong level of resistance, and also there is a doji here, and that could be a nice trading opportunity if it goes up. Okay, if it goes up, then euro dollar could give us a nice trading opportunity, or it depends on how the price action is forming. If I want to go early short, then I need to see further confirmation. So this is situation with euro dollar. Smash the like button and also hit that red subscribe button if you haven't done yet. This is Forex Wizard from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Now this is euro dollar. You see the high confluence zone is to wait for this kind of test of this trend line. You see, you might say, okay, there is a pin bar here, let's go short from here. You can find a lot of trade like this, but you see when the price create this kind of doji, that's a good good opportunity. That's a good trading opportunity always. So this is what it is with euro dollar. we are running one trade on euro dollar, I forgot to mention, which is in profit, and let's see how it goes. But if it goes up, then we'll enter again on euro dollar. So this is the situation with euro dollar. Let's say CHF JPY. I have some request for CHF JPY. As far as I know, CHF JPY is bullish. So let's see currently what happened with the market structure with CHF JPY. Okay, CHF JPY creating, let's see. Okay, let's see monthly first of all. Okay, it's a very strongly bullish market. Let me draw this strong level of support here. This is the support. Weekly, okay, weekly also, you see after the previous weeks, this is a nice healthy bullish candle on the weekly, but I think that it might come down further little to test this support, and then we could see an uprise. And the best place to buy CHF JPY is from this level 133.59. so let's see daily now. Okay, daily we already have seen a nice bull candle has been formed, and what I think CHF JPY might do something like this. You see, something like this will come here on the daily, create a double bottom, and then will rise. And this is my my eyes will be here on this level of support. And although you see that there is a trend line here, you see this is the daily trend line, right? This is the nice trend line. This trend line has been broken here. There's a resistance here with this trend line, resistance here. You see with this green candle, it has broken, tested this as a support, and from here we can expect to buy CHF JPY. It's a nice level, two confluence, one trend line, one this resistance. So this is a very good place for buying. 133.60 or 59. So if you go to the 4 hour, okay, so what it could do, this is a nice trading opportunity coming on this. Let's adjust this line on the 4 hour. Let's put it a bit up. Okay, so what it could do, CHF JPY, from here it will maybe one or two candle will create a come down here, and maybe we will create a long wick candle at the bottom, and then from here we might see that CHF JPY is pushing upside. And if it managed to come down to this level, then I will be considering buying CHF JPY based on what kind of price action it is creating. Smash the like button and also hit that red subscribe button for more analysis live streaming like this. So Santosh asked for AUD USD, and also I saw that many of you has a lot of requests. So write down please what you think, what's your request, and then we'll go through all of them one by one. So let's see NZD USD. Now NZD USD as analyzed today is going short, but we didn't enter any trade on NZD USD because I need to wait for this candle to create a bearish candle, because it was a very strong level of support here, and when there is a candle created on the level of support, I can't sell because at any point we could see something like that. But if this one closes as a bearish engulfer as per the analysis, then we might see some trading opportunity, and that is what I will be doing with my VIP members. As soon as I'll see nice trading opportunity closing with a bearish engulfer, I'll send the pending order, sell order, and then we'll consider shorting, because NZD USD, you see the previous today when the session opened, it's a nice bearish engulfer, guys and girls. See this kind of bearish engulfer, it's a nice bearish engulfer. This is a sign of strong bearish momentum, and the price did exactly so. After this bearish engulfer, if this one closes like that as a bearish engulfer, I will be considering going short. Maybe I will put around this zone a pending order based on how the candle is closing. If it closes near here, then I will place a pending order here, keeping stop loss above, and take profit maybe 1 to 3 or more risk to reward ratio. Smash the like button now. So this is situation with NZD USD. Tower CHF JPY, we already did CHF JPY, and we'll go back to them again. let's see what else. USD CAD, okay, USD CAD not that much good trading opportunity. So let's see what's happening with Euro AUD. Okay, Euro AUD. All right, so one important thing is Euro AUD might give us a different kind of trading opportunity, but let's see Euro AUD how it is doing. Now Euro AUD, what we see that it is approaching this resistance here. Okay, this is the resistance and support. And let's see monthly. Okay, so monthly, what I am thinking that I think Euro AUD will test this monthly resistance again. Let me draw this one here. See, Euro AUD over the long term in a very strong downtrend. You see, after this monthly, a giant bearish engulfer followed by another one giant bearish engulfer. Now this month, as soon as the market open, again it started to drop. Now what is likely to happen with Euro AUD is, in this month Euro AUD may go up again, test this monthly resistance, and from here we might see that Euro AUD is dropping. So if we go to the weekly, as I mentioned in my weekly forex forecast as well, that on the weekly time frame Euro AUD might rise a little bit, and I think that Euro AUD might come down to this resistance. This is the monthly, and then will drop from here, and my eyes will be there. Okay, this is the situation with Euro AUD. So daily, you see, it even could do that. It just could test this 20 period moving average and could drop. We don't know what likely to happen. So let's go to the 4 hour. Okay, now let me see how this price action is forming. Let me draw this daily 20 period moving average. So this is the zone where there is a daily 20 period moving average, and I think that Euro AUD could break this level and then will come back after testing this resistance. So let's see on the 4 hour now. Now this is the situation with 4 hour. Let's see how the price action is forming. Still direction is not fully confirmed. Locally it looks like bullish, okay, but globally it is bearish. So long term bearish, short term bullish. So let's see next what happened. Thank you all of you for joining. So let's see what else we have today. I am late, sir. Trader Boomer, that's okay. We all get late at some point in life, and maybe you'll be late, or everyone will get late, so that's fine, no problem. Chindi says Gbp and Nzd, please. Yes, Gbp and Nzd. I was thinking to analyze Gbp and Nzd. So let's see what's happening with Gbp and Nzd. First of all, let's see monthly. Okay, so after this, from this monthly support, so this is a monthly support on Gbp and Nzd. You see the price, basically this current monthly candle bounced from this monthly support. Okay, and because it's bounced from this monthly support, we might see a little more uprise on Gbp and Nzd. So where could it be? The destination could be around this. Is you see there is no significant resistance, so we might see the first go here. So weekly, what kind? Okay, weekly after the previous week's peak bullish engulfer, this week also the market opened, the price started to push up. Okay, so let's see daily now. Now daily, previous day we saw a nice bullish candle, though there wasn't enough volatility. That's why we saw two narrow candle, but they created a higher high and higher low. That's why the most important, it's created a higher low. Today also, as soon as the market opened, the price came to this daily support and then started to uprise. So what is the way we can enter Gbp and Nzd CAD? The best way to enter a Gbp and Nzd CAD is to wait for a, you see there is a, this is the pattern that has been broken, and if this one closes as a bullish engulfer on Gbp and Nzd, and I think that along this zone, let's say around 50% of the green body, okay, like this, in this zone a pending order can be placed. Okay, keep in mind that anything could happen. This analysis could be wrong, so I could be wrong at any point. So this is not an investment advice, just for educational. So there can give a pending order keeping a stop loss below this low, but I think that what it might even do it might even come down to test this doji. This doji has not been, you see there is a long wick doji, it's not been tested. So but yeah, keeping a stop loss below this doji and maybe 1 to 2. If the trade entered from here, stop loss below this low, if the target is here, it will be 1, 2, 3 or 4 risks to reward. You see 3 or 4 risks to rewards. It's a good trade, good trading opportunity on Gbp and Nzd if traded in this way. So let's see what else we have. USD Mexican, please. Yes, Vinod will look at it. 16 Euro CHF and Euro Nzd, sir. Okay, let's see. Euro CHF, Euro pairs, we haven't looked at it, so let's find out what's Avinash says hello. Yeah, hello, thank you. Ilal Majama, US 100, please. Yes, we'll do US 100 first. Let's look at the Euro CHF and Euro Nzd, and then we'll look to the US 100. So let's see Euro CHF, what's happening. Okay, so Euro CHF, first let me see the monthly time frame. Okay, all right, so this is a bearish market. I will be always biased with selling this kind of market. Okay, and you saw the previous months Euro CHF has created a big long doji. Okay, this is a doji. This is a very strong monthly doji. After this kind of doji, you can expect the price to slowly break down, but as you see that there is a long wick, so the price is struggling to drop a little bit. Finally it will drop. Okay, so let's see daily. Okay, let's see a little more on the monthly. See, higher time frame is very important, because when you see a bearish move on a higher time frame, it will not be ended tomorrow. If you see, let's say you see this monthly candle Euro CHF. Okay, now this is a very strong monthly candle. Okay, now why you should look at monthly? The difference is that, say if you see a candle like this on the 4 hour or even on the daily, what you can expect that 1 or 2 days to be bearish, right? After 2 days you need to rethink, reanalyze everything. But when you see a candle like this on the monthly, you can be sure that couple of months, even a year, this instrument will be bearish. That's a huge information, right? That's a huge benefit, that you, after this kind of candle, you are now ready to trade this market always on the short side. So that's a good information. Okay, so that means that Euro CHF over the long term higher time frame is bearish. If you start from here like this, creating a series of lower high and lower low, nicely trending market, the price is now here. So let's see the market structure. So this is the market structure, right? Now you saw that this is the one that previous support tested as a resistance. So this is the one with this monthly candle, right? Now this is in another impulsive phase, so it is not in retracement, it is in impulsive phase, keep in mind. So with that being said, Euro CHF likely to drop to this zone. Okay, to this towards down. So weekly, okay, the previous week we got a nice retracement as well, you see. So the Euro CHF, we got a nice retracement to the upside, creating this green candle. But at this point, what I think we might see, that's why I'm not still cautious about the Euro CHF. Now from here, two things can happen. It could drop from here without any going further, or it could go up to this level of resistance. Again, there is a support here. It could be tested as a resistance and could drop from here. So there are two possible scenarios. So let's see, let me draw this two level, and then we'll decide in what situation what we will be doing. Okay, so let's see daily. Now this is the situation. Okay, now if Euro CHF break this level, less probability break this level, okay, then on the retest we can buy to this target. Okay, but I will not be biased with that, because I am always short on euro in any situation. Okay, a euro is always bearish, but what I will be more biased with to sell. Okay, so but now what do you see, that the price is creating some kind of it's also a bearish. You see there is a, if you draw this trend line here, what you see that Euro CHF has created. Now what I will be doing, I think that Euro CHF in this 4 hour, you see there is a green candle started from here and the price is consolidating, and from here I will be more happy to do when it will create a false breakout to the upside. That is really good trading opportunity. If it creates a false breakout and then it started to drop again, that is where I will be considering nice trade. For now I don't know what to do because I don't know which way it is going. It might create a false breakout to the upside like that. Okay, if it does, then definitely I will trade with you, with all of you. Okay, if it doesn't, then we might see choppy market here. Let's see what happened, but the best will be let it go up and create a false breakout. Okay, and then will be nice place to take short opportunity. Smash the like button and also hit that red subscribe button if you haven't done yet. Charles asked for NZD, Cad, NZD, USD, AUD, Cad, AUD, USD. So we did all of them, Charles. I will do over time, but anyway, if anyone missing anything at the end of the session, you can review the previous video. It's still raw and it's still valid, all the analysis. The market is still hot. So let's see US 100. Quite a few requests I had on US 100. So first of all, let's see the bigger picture. Now bigger picture, US 100 after the previous month's hanging man. As I explained before shooting star, let me explain hanging man. These are very, very profitable candlestick pattern. Let me explain hanging man. So what did I say on shooting star? If you see a level of support like that and a long candle like this on a support, okay, so this is called a shooting star, right, on a support. So hanging man is just opposite. If you see a level of resistance and you see a candle like this, let's say like this, okay, this is the resistance, you know, like this, that is called a hanging man, like a man hanging on a tree. See, this is hanging man, this is selling candle. When you see a hanging man, sell. Okay, so what, with that being said, what do you see here? You see the previous months is a hanging man. So when you see a hanging man in this level of resistance, why it is a resistance? You see the previous, if we draw this one here, this is a resistance. Okay, why? Let me draw this rectangle. Resistance, why? Because you see this with this red candle created a resistance, with this doji also created a resistance. So this is a resistance zone, and from this resistance zone, what you saw, that a hanging man. See, because of this hanging man, the price just gone up little bit and then drop. You see, so why this shooting star? I always passionate about trading hanging man and shooting star. Trust me, because they are so profitable. You see, even if it is a monthly, you see, narrow stop loss, a big profit target. Smash the like button. Now when you saw that this kind of hanging man, you saw the prices, you know, are melting down. Now you see US 100 was in a long-term uptrend, very, very long-term, and a trend will not be ended in one day. But what we might see, that we might see the price is coming back to this level of support before, you know, making any move. So we still can think of short on US 100, and today we saw that the price opened with a gap. Okay, opened with a gap. So let's see now what's happening with daily. Now daily, okay, daily we have a nice bearish engulfer with a gap opening. Okay, so this is a textbook bearish engulfer. Now what is a bearish engulfer? Explaining again, if you see a candle like this, let's say this is a green candle, and the next one like this, okay, like this, let's say this is a red candle. Okay, let's say this is a red candle. What is the background? So if we see background red, okay, so this is a red candle, and I'm on a live stream. So this is live streaming, who are watching this live stream from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. So now what happened is there is a bearish engulfer here, and with this bearish engulfer, you see what is the difference is that the price, you know, broke the high of the candle, previous candle's high. If you draw a resistance here, you see the previous day, the price broke the previous day's high, you know, grabbed the liquidity and then closed with a full body red. So that's a textbook bearish engulfer. You see that this is like this. So that is called a bearish engulfer. Now keep in mind that when the bearish engulfer formed in a very, very important level, even 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio trade could make you profitable. Bearish engulfer or bullish engulfer is so powerful. I have a lot of videos on it. You can check out my YouTube channel. That's unique, and this all from my experience. Now let's see on the 4 hour now. Okay, so we saw that there is a gap opening, and you see the gap is being tested now. Okay, you see the gap is being tested. So let me change the style again. So gap, okay, so gap is being tested. Now this is the support here on the 4 hour. This is the resistance now being tested. So upon closing of this candle, if the price shows proper retracement, proper price action confirmation, could be traded on the short side, because this is a gap opening with a previous support tested as resistance, or it might go to test this 20 period moving average as well. So it depends on what strategy you are using, but this is a strongly bearish market. If you stop loss above this high, you know, even 1-to-1 could give a good trading opportunity on this one. So this is situation with US 100 and US 30, the same. US 100, US 30 creating same kind of pattern. So let's see what happened with Tower says, I'm still waiting with you on GBP JPY. Look at it now, and it did exactly what you said. People are suffering from patience. Okay, Tawa, sure, we'll see again. GBP JPY, we already did it, but patience is the key in trading. Okay, so patience is the key always in trading. Keep in mind, okay, trading is all about patience. So what GBP JPY is doing, you see that it is creating it's look like it didn't do a bullish engulfer, it didn't close above, but we might find bull buying opportunity. Let's see how it does, and based on how the price action is forming, we will consider buying GBP JPY. Let's see how the price action is forming, but let's see. I'll definitely update you, but because the candle is still 27 remaining, so if it give us proper trading opportunity, we will consider going long with GBP JPY, or it could even drop further if this one doesn't close as a bearish engulfer. Even it could test this this doji here. You see there are two dojis, here, and this is the daily chart, and let's see what's happening. So this is the situation with GBP JPY. Now USD CAD is looks like CAD is getting very, very stronger. NZD CAD is now also giving some nice bearish candlestick pattern. Let's see how this gone. We might find some trading opportunities soon. So if you want to trade with us, smash the like button and also go to the description area. There is a discount going on. If I find any trading opportunity today, definitely I will send to my VIP members. And definitely if you wanna trade with us tomorrow, there will be news release on NZD, and we might find nice opportunity. So I am almost at the end of my live streaming, and it was really awesome to have some chat with all of you. If you have any question, don't forget to ask me. Don't hesitate to ask me. There's a lot of way you can ask me. You can email me, you can text me in you can go to my website, or you can comment in my video. I will replay back to you. So let's see what's happened. I think we covered majority. Gold as well, as I told you, it's bullish, and the price looks like doing exactly as it is. We'll be also thinking trading gold as well. Let's see. Thank you for joining. See you Tomorrow, same time, same place, in the same time. So far, trade safe, manage risk, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.